Hi, good evening. So I think we discussed about inventory management and physical inventory. There we discussed document types, goods issue, goods receipt, then finance document in FI, then physical inventory also we discussed. Okay, we'll do the configurations today. I'll go to IMG. Materials management, inventory management and physical inventory. First I'll go with plant parameters. Okay, here if you observe, we are having so many plants which is there in the system. Now I'll select 1000 and copy that. Click on copy, and here I need to mention my plant. So RPP1 is my plant. Enter. It's already there. Okay, I think in last class we maintained. Okay, and I think we saw the movement types. Document number ranges also I think maintained. Let me check. Yes, this also we maintained. Okay. Now we'll go to movement type here. Copy, change, movement types. T code is OMBQ. Click on that, and here select movement type and press enter. No need to input anything here, just enter. So we'll get output like this. Movement type, this is movement type 101. The movement type we can see in some other screen also. Movement type we can see in some other screen also. I think you may aware of this, like in Migo. In Migo, we are having movement types. If you observe here, this is a movement type. So you press F4, we'll get movement types here. See, 101. By default, it has selected 101. Whenever you used to purchase the material, and after purchase the material, when we are receiving the material, system will take 101 automatically. That's the reason we not observed that movement type in our previous goods receipt, right? Now I can see the movement type, because now instead of goods receipt, we are going to issue the goods to my vendor also. For that I will require movement type. So 101 goods receipt for purchaser into warehouse, and there is another movement type is 102. What is that? 102 is nothing but reverse of the 101. So you receive the goods and that is a wrong entry. Assume that you received the good, that is a wrong material you received. Then what you need to do? We are going to reverse that by using this 102. And 103 is the goods received for purchase order into GR block stock. If you go with MMBE, MMBE is stock overview. If you go with transaction code MMBE, you observe a lot of columns there, right? You observe a lot of columns there. See, unrestricted use, quality inspection, order stock, on order stock, consignment. Like that, if you come a little bit right side, you'll having so many options here, or so many columns. And one more column is there, GR block stock. By using movement type 103, we can post the stock into block stock. Like that, GR block release 105 is there, release to block stock. Okay. Then valuated stock, that is not required. One more is 122, return to delivery, return delivery to vendor. Sometimes in our previous session, we discussed how to send back the material to vendor by using this movement type. We can release that one. 123, reversal for return. Then return delivery from GR block stock 124, and that is reversal. Return to purchase order 161, return to purchase order. Then 201, consumption of cost center from warehouse. Then 221, consumption of projects from warehouse. Like that. 261, consumption for order means we are issuing the material to production order. 261, by using 261 we will use that material to issue to production department. Then 331, sampling from quality inspection. Quality 331E, quality sampling from QI sales, quality sales order. Then 333 is the sample from unrestricted use. We can send the material from unrestricted use to sampling by using 333 movement type. So we'll discuss one by one. So many movement types are there. We'll discuss that one. Okay, so if you come to this one, here 101, double click on that. See, these are the parameters which is maintained for this movement type. See, here it is created the storage location, then selection parameter W101, that is open goods receipt. This is some standard things maintained. No changes here, and here it should be selected with automatic PO. It should be selected with automatic PO. Whenever we used to maintain the automatic purchase order, then if I am going to select this one, then only the automatic purchase order we can post. This you should remember. You need to come here and you need to select this automatic PO for this movement type. Okay, so no changes here. Later I'll show how to create movement types in physical inventory. I'll show that one. Okay, next I'll go with cycle counting. As we discussed, physical inventory, and what is the difference, why we require to compare with physical stock and system stock, because sometimes what will happen, we purchase the material with a high cost material. On that time that we are going to store in our storage, while storing the goods has been damaged. So on that time it is a loss for company. In order to avoid all these kind of losses, what we need to do? We need to maintain the count, cycle count. So on the basis of category, say category A, we are having 1 month wise count, category B 2 months wise count, category C 6 months wise count, category D 1 year wise count. So I need to create material master for this, and before that, in cycle counting, I require to maintain this cycle count indicator assigned to my plant. For that, I'll come to IMG and go to materials management, inventory management and physical inventory. Go to physical inventory, then cycle count, T code is OMCO. Okay, here these are the indicator A, B, C, D, right? So once in a year, 2 months wise, sorry, once in a month, 2 months wise, quarterly wise and yearly wise, like that. Okay, what I'll do, I'm going to select this indicator, A, B, C, D indicator, and click on copy. Okay, now here I am going to change my plant RP P1, and no changes in this one, RP P1, RP P1 and RP P1. Enter and save. Select RP P1 and it will maintain for plant 2 also. RP P2. Enter and save. Now the indicator has been copied to our plant. Okay. So this is only one configurations as a consultant we need to maintain. Now what I'll do, I'm going to create the material, 3 or 4 materials I'm going to create, and with the different prices, and I'm going to assign this category to that material. Okay, the configurations wise, cycle count indicator and end user work to create material master and assign cycle count indicator to materials. Here I am going to create 4 materials. Say raw material 1, I will mention 5,000 rupees, or raw material 2, 2,000 rupees, or 2,500 rupees, RM3 1,000 rupees, and RM4 100 rupees, like that. So I'll create 4 materials and with different category and different prices. Category A, category B, category C, category D. Okay. Then after that, what I'll do, I'm going to create purchase order and post the GR goods receipt. Then third is post the inventory physical inventory document, post the physical inventory document, then post the inventory physical inventory, fifth one, post the difference, post the difference. So here, as I told you, so this is the difference as per system. Assume that as per system 100 quantity is there, but whenever I check physically 80 quantity, then 20 quantity is lost for us. The price of that, assume that this is a category material, 5,000 into 20, 1 lakh rupees. Then this is a gain, and this is no gain, no profit, no loss, like that. These things it will work. Or better, instead of 4, we'll create 3 material, or else, okay, 4 will create. I'll come to system. Go to easy access, logistics, materials management, material master, material, create general, MM01 immediately. And here I'll not going to input anything here in material. Into this sector I'll give mechanical, and RPRM is my material type. Enter. And here select basic data 1 and 2, select purchasing, purchase order text for MRP 1 and 2, and most important you need to select is general plant data or storage. General plant data or storage you need to select. Press enter. Then my plant is RPP1, storage location RM. Enter. And here I'll give the RPL raw material 1. Unit of measure is each. RPLMG is my material group. Then weight 5 kg, 5 kg. Enter. Enter. Go to purchasing. Purchasing group, I'll RP1 maybe. R01, okay. Purchase order text, copy the text here and paste it here. MRP1, so MRP1 I'm not going to maintain anything here. MRP type ND I'll take. Then MRP2 plant delivery time 5 days. Go to plant data storage. Here cycle count physical inventory indicator. For this I will select category A. And select CC fixed. Okay. This is category A material. Go to accounting 1 and assign the valuation class and price. This is a standard valuation class, and I am going to mention the price as 5,000. Save this. Okay, I will create some more material here. So this is very important. General plant data I need to select. Again, I need to maintain the plant storage location, and here I will give material from material 2. Okay, then material group, select the copy, paste MRP1, MRP1 ND, MRP2, plant delivery time 5 days, plant data storage. Here select category B and cycle count 6. Okay, go to accounting 1, raw material, that is valuation class 3000, price of material is 2500. Save. Okay, again enter. Okay, raw material 3. Okay, this is, I need to maintain this. Copy MRP1, MRP type, plant delivery time 7 days, C category and cycle conflicts. Accounting 1 and 1000. Enter. Last one. Enter. Purchasing group. MRP, plant delivery, plant data storage, cycle count B, accounting 1, valuation class 100 rupees. See. So 4 materials has been created, and for each material we maintain the cycle count indicator, right? Okay, now this material, for this material we will post the purchase order. Go to T code ME21N, which comes under in easy access, logistics, materials management, purchase order, create ME21 vendor or supplying plant on. Here I will select my document type, maybe r.nb or _nb. Yes. My purchase organization, purchasing group, I will select the vendor from the list. Okay, we are having this much of vendor. I will select this one. And material, I will give all 3 material. So this is my material RPL1, Okay, I'll give 100 quantity. Quantity. Okay, delivery you can give any date. So here I'll give 4/4/2022. Okay, price. So first one is 5,000, right? 5,000. Second one is 2,500 and third one is 1,000. Currency INR. Also INR. Material group RPLMG. Plant RPP1. Storage location RM and RM. Vendor it's not created RPPO. Okay, this vendor is not comes under. I'll take some other vendor. Okay, so this is some other vendor, right? I'll take this vendor. Okay. The price, okay, price is just, okay, I'll take some other domestic vendor, I'll take. This vendor. The price 2,500 and 1,000 rupees. Okay, click on check. No message and save. 45000 4550008. Okay, for this I'll go receive the or maintain the goods receipt. For that I'll go with easy access, materials management, inventory management, goods movement, goods receipt for purchase order, Migo underscore GR for purchase order. And here I'll take goods receipt purchase order 4550008. Company plant is RPP1. Enter and select item. Okay, click on check. So you need to select all these three material. Click on check and post. Document get posted, right? Now I'll do the posting regarding inventory. Okay, so this process will do. First, assume that according to system 100 quantity we already received the material. Now if you check it physically, so the 80 quantity will be there. Okay, for that I need to post the inventory document, then physical inventory and difference. Okay, first I'll go with the posting of physical inventory document. Okay, P code is MI01, path easy access, logistics, materials management, physical inventory document MI01 create. So this is document date, plant RPP1 and storage location is RM. Press enter. and here I need to mention the material. So this is my material. I'll take this one. Okay, no need to input anything here except material number. Just click on save. Okay, now physical inventory document has been created. 2642 is the inventory document. Next, inventory count. T code is MI04. If you want to modify that, go with MI02 to change the things. Like if you want to storage type, one stands for warehouse. One stands for warehouse. You can change to some other storage type. The only thing that is the only thing we can change. We cannot do any changes in other things. Now I'll come back to main screen, and I'll go with MI04, and this is my physical inventory document 2642, fiscal year 2022. Enter, and how much physical or how much the inventory count. Inventory count I'll give here 80 quantity. Okay, according to system 100 quantity means we received the goods, right? So that is on the time we received 100 quantity, but if I check the material physically, on the time we got this much of quantity. Save. Now there is a difference, right? While comparing with system, there is a difference. So I'll post the difference, come back, and I'll go with differences, MI07 post. Again, I need to maintain this physical inventory document, fiscal year, enter, and this the value, right? 20 quantity, and at the time of creation of material, I mentioned the price as 5,000, right? So that's the reason I can see the value here. Then it is asking for reason. Press F4. We are having so many reasons here. So what I'll select, I'm going to select this one. Spoiled. Okay. Press enter. Okay, it is not defined. I'll check the color. 702. Okay, I'll give that one 702 moment type. Save. The difference in physical inventory document 2642 posted with material document 2643. Okay. 1 lakh difference has posted to financial accounting. This is the loss we made regarding physical inventory or physical count. This amount will get posted to financial accounting, and this is treated as a expenses. This is treated as expenses because that's high cost material. One material cost 5,000 rupees. The 20 quantity is spoiled when we checked physically. So that's the reason this loss, and it is treated as a expenses. Okay, reconnect. We'll discuss. Okay, so now I'll go with another scenario, like assume that as per system 100 quantity is there, and if I check with physically 120 quantity is there. Okay, so again I need to maintain the physical inventory document. For that I will go with MI01, and this is a plant and storage location and posting date, enter, and this time I will give some other material. This is my material. Just input the material number, save this. Okay, then MI04, go to MI04 and input the inventory count. So this is my physical inventory document. This is the fiscal year and count date. Press enter, and if I check the material physically, I got this much of quantity. Right, click on save. Now there is a difference. There is a difference between system and physical. Right. For that I will need to post the entry in MI07. Differences. 2644 is a physical inventory document, and physical year is 2022. And here the reason I need to mention 701. Save. Someone has changed the description of that moment type. That should be goods issue and goods receipt. Or plus goods receipt means addition to existing goods, and goods issue means consumption of material. Okay. So difference of physical inventory document 2600 posted. Next again we'll see this scenario. As per system 100 quantity will be there, and if I check physically the same 100 quantity will be there, but there is no difference, but in to post the difference, because without in zero quantity we are going to post the differences. Okay, so for that again I will go with MI01. This is the inputs I need to maintain. Press enter, then my material number, enter, then save. 2646 is my material number, sorry, physical inventory document number. Then go to inventory count, MI04. This is my inventory document number, fiscal year and date. Enter. Quantity, say 100 quantity. Enter and save. 2646 has been posted. Now, as there is no difference between system and physical, let me go with MI07 again and input 2646 as my document number, fiscal year and the date of the posting. Enter. So if you observe here, there is no difference quantity, right? So if you want, you can save it here, otherwise no need to save it because there is no difference. So I will save here. Click on save. See, physical inventory document 2 without differences. Okay, MI08 already result. We already counted differences. Then MI20. MI2644 will check 264. So I select a material here instead of document number. Execute. No, it is not showing why it is. List of inventory differences. Okay, should be show. Go to okay. inventory document for material. Okay, display the inventory document material. Okay, this is MI24 is there, but I don't know it's. So these are the details. Okay, MI24. If you go with MI24 or MI03 here, MI24 first, put MI24 and input your material, plant, storage location, and physical inventory document. If you know the things, you can type it here. Otherwise, without that also you can proceed. Just click on execute, then just click on physical inventory document, or you can select this and click on overview. Or so better go with without ticking that, click on that document number and double click on this one, material. So it will give you the complete details here. See here, count date on 24th means today's date, posting date also same, last count date 24/3, then quantity 80 quantity, we got the we got the output when we checked physically. Then as per goods, as per system 100 quantity is there, the difference is 20 quantity, then total amount is 1 lakh. Okay, like that. We'll change the material, we'll see that one, and this is 2644 I think. Execute, click on this physical inventory document, double click on this document. See now quantity as per physical 120, book quantity is 100, difference is 20, and total amount is 50,000. So here I can see all maximum information regarding physical inventory, or else you can go with MI03 also. MI03 directly you can go there. So MI03 display 2644, double click on this. See, here also we can see the balances. Okay, so this is about physical inventory posting. This is about physical inventory posting. Fine, we'll stop here today. Tomorrow we'll start with integration with some other department like finance department and other department. Okay, fine, bye, good night.